Hi, this is Stephen from Share Navigator. This is just a quick update on a trade that we initially started on September the 16th. It was the bear put spread on the SPY and it was financed by a short put at the 620 strike. So on September the 30th, the trade didn't really go as expected. So what we did was we closed down the bear put side of it. So just in summary, in terms of numbers, when we originally placed the trade, it cost us $99 per contract to put on. We generated 124 when we closed down the bear put spread. So we're in a net credit here now of $25 a contract, depending on the number of contracts you have, of course. So all we had left outstanding was this short 620 put. So if we just come up here and look at SPY for the moment, SPY it's at 668. So SPY would have to fall $48 in the next 2 weeks in order for us to have to manage that particular position, which is unlikely. The probability of that, by the way, is less than 0.5%. So this is our current position now with this short put that we've left open. You can see the market value at the moment is $67. So the idea is that as time decays and we start getting closer and closer to expiration on October the 20th, that will eventually go to zero, so long as SPY doesn't fall below 620. That's the only thing we need to be careful of. So we're in an unrealized P&L of 164 on this side of the trade. That will keep going up as each day ticks by, so long as SPY doesn't fall dramatically. So this $67 of value will eventually translate into the unrealized P&L. So in total, for the entire trade, back to the entire trade here, we can make about $25 profit per contract, assuming the 620 short put expires worthless. And again, just to remind you, if SPY did drop back to 620, we would actually look to take assignment. For people who do not want to take assignment, there is a risk management plan you could put in place there. So this trade, we originally tried to make, about $900 a contract profit on SPY falling. It didn't do so, but it's a great example of how, when you know what you're doing with options, you can actually generate a trade that hasn't really worked out into a profitable trade for you, as long as you take action at the decisive moment. Okay, just a quick update. Nothing to do with this trade, guys. Just let that 620 short put expire. Thanks, bye for now.